Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by working on dry, clean hair so the new roots hold. Use a rat tail comb only to part where you need control. Keep the semi-freeform character by leaving slight irregular spacing. Once done, clip off surrounding hair with cotton clips and lightly mist with sea salt spray for texture. Then apply a small amount of palm oil or thin locking gel at the root. This gives grip without forcing uniformity, and it helps new growth interlock rather than slip. You now retwist each root following its natural spiral. Twist just enough to encourage locking, but not enough to cause breakage. Once twisted, palm roll the shaft between your palms for 10 to 20 seconds to align fibers and smooth the section. Every few dreads, check for persistent loose hair. If needed, use a 0.75 to 1 mm crochet hook or a single prong interlocking motion sparingly to tuck strands. Make sure to alternate palm roll direction only when restoring shape. You finish by misting the roots lightly and giving each dread a final palm roll to set the twist. This helps fibers link as they dry. Make sure to sleep on silk or use a satin bonnet for 2 to 4 weeks so friction doesn't undo your work. If you see thinning or breakage, stop tightening, spread future sections slightly larger, 1/2 inch, and consider leaving more natural frizz. If new growth refuses to lock, repeat gentle palm rolling daily rather than increasing tension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.